What is happening? This is your man David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2018 Ram 1500 ST 4x4 in a blue streak pearl exterior color, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine underneath the hood. This truck has cloth interior seats, is a crew cab, and it has mud flaps behind all the tires. You'll find hooks in all four corners in the box so you can easily tie down your load so you don't lose it while you're driving down the highway. On the bumper, you'll find your 4-pin and your 7-pin wiring harnesses so you can power up a trailer or any aftermarket devices that you want this Ram 1500 to power up. Come to the back seat here. You'll notice just how much foot space there is. There is quite a bit of foot space back here, which is fantastic. It's very spacious in the back seat area. Headroom is also fantastic. There's handles on both sides so passengers can easily lift themselves inside this truck. You'll find back seat directional air vents in the back seat area. They're very easy to adjust. It's nice that the passengers can adjust their airflow so they can be most comfortable when riding in the back of this truck. The back seat is a bench and you can easily flip it up just by using one of your hands. You can lift up the seat like this, very easy, and you'll see that there is plenty of storage space underneath the back seat. You can hide things underneath here. Anything you want, you can put in here if it fits. There's 2 cup holders right there, and then you can easily pull this back down like this, and whatever is in there will be out of sight and pretty well secure. This Ram 1500 has power mirrors, power windows with window lock, power locks, and the front windows are automatic. Automatic headlamps, always handy to have. You can set it and forget it. And there's your dimmer knob right there. Helping you get inside this Ram truck is keyless entry. Can't go wrong with keyless entry. It says Ram on the back, looks really good. Of course, you have your unlock button, your lock button, and your panic button. So if you can't find this truck in the parking lot of Costco, just hit the panic button. The horn's really loud. You'll be sure to find this truck. This has a soft touch steering wheel. Feels great on the hands. This is a tilt steering wheel too. Convenient upper storage compartment right here. Down below, you'll find the glove box. And in the glove box, you do have your user guide right here. Feel free to read the user guide whenever you want. You might learn a thing or two about your Ram 1500. This flips up into a middle seat for that unexpected passenger, allowing for 6 people to be seated inside this Ram truck. And if there's no one sitting there, you can easily flip this back down where there are 3 large cup holders. SiriusXM guide is in this storage compartment. Yes, this truck does have SiriusXM support. There's a change holder in here, and there's also 2 USB ports and an auxiliary port. This one's just for charging though. Let's hop inside and take a closer look at this Ram 1500 ST right now. Once you hop inside this truck, you'll see the knob for the 4-wheel drive. You can easily engage the 4-wheel drive just like so. All you gotta do is turn it. You do have to pop in the neutral to go in the 4-wheel drive low though. 4-wheel drive is great to have if you're going off-road, and also in the wintertime because I'll have those front wheels also helping you out. Cruise control on the right side of the steering wheel. Using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, you can go through the driver information center screen, which is right dead center in between the main gauges, which is the tachometer and the speedometer. But the first thing you'll see is that this truck has 50,001 kilometers on it. Not too shabby. Definitely come book a test drive soon. So using the buttons on the left side, we're going to go through it. The first thing you'll see is that there is a digital speedometer, and you change that to miles per hour if you're going to the States. You have your vehicle info here. Gives you some convenient information. Engine hours, fantastic. Tire pressures, transmission temperature, oil temperature. Wow. Oil pressure too. Oil life. Fuel economy is there. You have your trip A calculator, trip B calculator. Message center in case the truck wants to tell you something. You can set up the screen, have it set up the way that you want it set up. And you can adjust settings there too. Straightforward climate controls. You can easily adjust the fan speed, adjust the temperature, and adjust where you want the air to go. This Ram truck does have heated mirrors and air conditioning, air conditioning works absolutely fantastic. It is like ice cold. That is a beautiful thing to have in the summertime when it's like 35 degrees, believe me. You can turn off the traction control if you want. You have your tow/home mode button right there too. There is a convenient drawer. Put things in there for quick and easy access. There's a 12-volt DC power outlet to the left, and to the right side, there is another USB port. Fantastic for charging devices. You'll like the clear sound quality that comes through the speakers. This is satellite radio, by the way. The media center is very easy to use. Don't forget that you have your USB port and your auxiliary port in here, and you can easily adjust audio settings, set presets. You just go to the menu, you can adjust audio settings, and it tells you the song and the artist on the screen. It's the 2018 Ram 1500 ST 4x4, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine underneath the hood, and it's in a blue streak pearl exterior color. It is a crew cab with cloth interior seats and SiriusXM support. It seats up to 6 people in total. It has a smooth ride. It's quiet. You know what? This could be your next truck. And my suggestion to you is to come on down to Crosstown and take this thing for a test drive. It's waiting for you. I'm your pal David, and I'll talk to you later. See ya.